Visit to Banana Island. It's called Banana Island because of its shape. First, you have to go to the terminal and book tickets. Inside of terminal, our boat is ready for boarding. Let's go! Banner Islamic Center, the most beautiful building in Qatar. Reached. Welcome to the Banana Island. A warm welcome. The island is stunning, offering all the luxuries, including a family block, kids area, cinema, and various fun activities. We booked the buffet, and there's also resorts where you can stay overnight. Time to eat. Great variety of food. Drinks and bakery items include a variety of options, such as coffee, tea, smoothies, croissants, and bread. Italian cuisine. Majboos and Indian cuisine. Seafood. My favorite papada. My plate. Yummy. I enjoy the fish noodles the most. It was delicious. Fresh fruit. Spanish latte to end the meal. Done with food, let's roam around. We went to the beachside. The water was fine, neither too cold nor too hot.